This hike is through the woods, and I haven't seen much wildlife or wildflowers, but it's a challenge with all this steep incline, that how I would be able to reach the top and how much time will it take. It's always a challenge whenever you step out of your comfort zone, and especially out of hibernation, as the winters here are pretty harsh and there is a lot of snow in this area. So I'm glad that I'm able to make these hikes pretty early in the season to get ready for some of the higher elevation hikes. We actually have about 58 peaks, more than 14,000 feet here in Colorado.